Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to be smashing this Sony Trinitron picture-in-picture TV. It's about a 37 inches. Man, I just love how it's doing that today. Big explosions going on here. She's got a big copper cord in there, as you can tell right there. That's the one that you want to strip. One I was talking about. Smack it down, get that plastic off there. I ain't gonna mess with that. That's the back right down, so it doesn't take up the room in my trash can there. That'll be all the good we get up here, folks. We're gonna pretty much apart. See how your view is there. See what we're getting. Alright. I'm gonna go here and smash the cord out. Copper cord, $1 a pound on strip. $2 something a pound strip. Yeah, that's what we got going on here. Got me a thick ass copper cord in this one. Probably about a pound. $3 worth of copper just right there. Thick ass metal cage. Cord that plugs it in. Speakers. I got my TV yoke right there that's gonna have the clean copper in it. Yep. I've just been building them up, stacking them up right over there. Yeah, we'll see what we get at the end of this scrapping adventure. That's scrapping Sony Trinitron TV from 1998. Thing's already over 10 years old, but yep, there goes the Trinitron, picture in picture.